I swear to God, I'm throwing all this shit right in the garbage.
It's my hobby, Janice. Why you gotta belittle it?
Will you just get ready, please?
You go. I gotta work.
You can do your collections tomorrow.
I'm on a schedule. It don't work that way.
This is why you can't watch Uncle June?
I told you last week we have Nika's preschool meeting.
She's 15 months old.
No one was more competitive than your wife when it came to this stuff with AJ.
A lot of good it did.
This child, constantly wanting the breast.
He doesn't want to be alone. He says he doesn't feel good.
The school, they need to meet both parents if it's an intact family.
All right, so call the girl, the nurse.
Miss Trinidad? Right. Every time I call, a different person answers.
I'll go, Tom. I'm on it.
You know what? Fuck it. You want to get something done, you got to do it yourself.
You were the one who was opposed to assisted living.
You and I are going to talk.
Well, you didn't have to wear your fucking hat.
Suppose you got a little choo-choo train at home, huh? Takes your toast right from the kitchen, delivers it to your bedroom.
Look, Tom, I'm sorry about what happened with Junior in the shooting, but...
Don't mention Junior to me ever again. I'll tell you this, Bobby. You can't hide behind this brother-in-law shit forever. You're an okay guy. But each and every man is judged on his own merit.
He works so hard for you, and what does he get? Merciless ridicule about his weight, about his model railroading.
He's a grown man!
Oh, but it's okay for Neil Young.
He owns Lionel!
Hey, I found the Woodland Mountain. 27-inch peak, clump foliage, and snow. Bobby.
I'm listening, okay?
Where are you going?
Rafe's brother's making a music video. They got dry ice.
Where's your helmet? Hey, check out the Mo and Joe action. Hey, you know what? Let's do a race. The Polar Express one. We could trash it.
I can't.
Who knows what the fuck he's got planned exactly? You get word to everybody. Eyes in the back of your head. Break routines, collections, all that shit. You tell everybody.
Got it.
In the meantime, we keep trying. Get a 20 on Phil.
Beautiful.
You never see a blue Comet in that condition. I mean, look at the coaches. Every window still lights up.
If that train still ran New York to AC, Atlantic City would be a much different place today.
Better class of people.
I suppose. Who the fuck really knows? Still, it's nice to think that. Imagine riding in that club car, sipping on a Negroni. $8 grand the whole set, huh?
Well, there's other people interested.
I'm gonna go for it.
Your son will like this, too. Looks fast.
He don't care.